Hey everyone, and welcome. I am absolutely thrilled you're joining me today because we are about to dive into something that literally touches every single one of our lives. We're talking about a true masterclass, a comprehensive roadmap, if you will, designed to completely transform your financial reality. Let's be real. In today's crazy, fast-paced economy, building financial awareness isn't just some luxury or a nice-to-have skill anymore. It is absolutely crucial for survival. So many of us work incredibly hard, putting in crazy hours, only to find ourselves stuck in the exact same endless loop at the end of the month. Well, today, we're going to break down the game of money and wealth and put you on the right track. The rest? That's going to depend on you, your ambition, and your drive. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and really pay attention, because this guide could literally be the turning point you've been looking for.
But before we jump into the practical steps, I want you to ask yourself a really direct question and be brutally honest with yourself here. Why do you think you aren't rich yet? Seriously, pause for a second and think about it. Do you kind of feel like wealth is just reserved for the lucky ones? Or maybe you've been programmed to believe you were born to stay at a specific income level that you just can't break through? Your honest answer to this question is going to reveal a ton about the hidden beliefs actually running your life. More often than not, it's these negative subconscious thoughts that act as the biggest roadblock between us and real wealth. They literally blind us to the amazing opportunities right in front of us. Here's the truth that pretty much every successful person agrees on. Wealth is not a fluke, it's not some random stroke of luck, it's an active, ongoing process of building the right mindset and providing massive value to others. The reality is, our world is overflowing with money and opportunities. There is absolutely no shortage of wealth out there. The real challenge is just understanding the rules of the game and taking the right actions. The universe has more than enough resources for all of us, but tapping into that requires us to ditch those mental blocks and start focusing on what real value we can bring to the table.
Okay, let's dive right into this and take a quick look at the 5 major milestones on our roadmap today. First, we'll cover the sheer importance of financial awareness right now. Second, we'll unlock the secrets of classic wealth literature. Third, we'll talk mindset and how to literally program your brain for riches. Fourth, we'll tackle financial control using the free Masarif app. And finally, step 5, building passive income and planning your investments. Ready? Let's go.
All right, step number 1. Let's talk about why having financial awareness today is more critical than ever before.
We live in an age where spending money is literally as easy as tapping a button on your phone. Because of that, actually making and keeping money requires a completely new level of awareness. Think about it. If you don't know the rules of the game, you're just going to end up as a pawn in someone else's financial plan. And you know what's crazy? Most people spend their entire lives trying to change their results, like their tough financial situation, without ever changing the actions that caused it in the first place. As the old saying goes, it is absolute madness to keep doing the exact same thing over and over and expect different results. If we want a different outcome, we absolutely have to change our inputs. That's how you turn effort into actual wealth.
Moving right along to step 2, let's see how this all builds upon the incredible wisdom of the ages. We're looking at the timeless secrets of money and wealth. You really can't talk about financial awareness without standing on the shoulders of giants, right? First up, we have The Richest Man in Babylon. This is a 4,000-year-old classic, and the biggest takeaway? Pay yourself first. Save at least 10% of your income no matter what, so you can build an army of coins that works for you. Next is the legendary Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book completely destroys the myth that the rich are born rich. It teaches a fundamental difference. Wealthy people buy assets that put money into their pockets, while everyone else buys liabilities that take money out. And finally, Think and Grow Rich. This isn't even just about money. It's a masterclass in personal development. It shows us that winning the money game starts with an absolute, burning desire and an unshakable belief in your goals. Okay, let's move to step 3. This is where we shift our focus to the internal work, programming your mind for wealth. Because let's face it, your mindset dictates everything. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference we're talking about. On one side, you have the scarcity mindset. This is that pessimistic voice saying things like, money is evil, only corrupt people get rich, or I'm just destined to be poor. Well, if you constantly tell your brain you're supposed to be poor, you can't be mad when it proves you right. On the flip side, we have the abundance mindset. This is the core belief that the universe is literally full of opportunities, and you are fully capable of grabbing them. This brings us to something absolutely crucial, your sense of deservingness. Over time, thanks to negativity around us, we kind of lose our sense of worth. Before you even ask, how do I get rich? You have to rebuild that internal worth and truly, deeply believe that you deserve financial freedom. Once we've got that mindset dialed in, we need to look at money the right way. Money isn't the end goal, it's merely a byproduct. It is simply the result of creating and providing immense value to other people. The wealthiest, most successful people out there see money as a natural reward for great ideas and hard work. They're obsessed with providing massive value, and because of that, they reap massive rewards. So instead of just chasing a paycheck, focus entirely on what unique value you can offer to the world. Do that, and the money will follow naturally. I promise you. All right, step 4. This is where we transition from internal mindset to external practical tactics. It's all about financial control. So, what does financial control actually mean? Simply put, it's the absolute mastery of your daily expenses, your bills, and your debts. Look, it doesn't matter if you make $1 million a year, if you spend $1 million in one. You have to rigorously manage every single dollar that leaves your pocket to stop those silent financial leaks that drain your budget. You cannot invest and grow your wealth if your wallet has a giant hole in it. Investing requires a financial surplus, and that surplus only comes from incredibly tight management of the money you already have. Now, what's really interesting here is the tool we found to help you achieve exactly that. We did a lot of digging, and the ultimate free solution for budget management, especially for Android users, is an app called Masarif. What makes Masarif so special is its absolute obsession with your privacy. It requires zero internet connection to work. Seriously, Masarif is going to be your budget's new best friend. Why? Because it's 100% free, forever. Plus, since it works completely offline, your data stays entirely on your device. No cloud, no tracking, total privacy. It also features smart tracking with over 20 different expense categories, an automated salary feature, and a really solid debt management system. Oh, and it's fully bilingual, perfectly tailored with Arabic formatting support. To literally take your first step toward wealth today, I highly, highly recommend downloading it. The direct link is right down in the description below. Seriously, go grab it and take control of your money. Finally, we arrive at step 5, the execution phase. This is all about passive income and planning your investments. So the crucial point is this. Once you've stopped the leaks and taken control, maybe using an app like Masarif, you now have surplus money. And you cannot just let that sit around losing value to inflation. Your next major move is building passive income. These are revenue streams that you set up once, and they keep paying you without your constant daily effort. But listen to me carefully. Never, ever invest in something you don't understand. Learn the basics first. And to really secure your future, plan your investments alongside proven financial experts who can help you grow that wealth safely over the long haul. Which brings us to the end of our roadmap. I want to leave you with one provocative thought. What value will you create today to build your wealth tomorrow? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and financial awareness is your key to the gate. If you found value in this explainer today, please go ahead and smash that like button. Also, jump into the comments down below. Let us know what your financial plan is and which step you're tackling first. And of course, if you're serious about leveling up your economy and building real wealth, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our future deep dives. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.